welcome to the town of Matjiesfontein. So this is our first official stop that we are doing, and I'm going to take you along to explore the little town. So stick around. So we're gonna take a walk up to the picture frame, and then from the picture frame I'm gonna take you guys into the old railway signals. So let's do it. So as you can see, this is the railway line in Matjiesfontein, and it's quite something to be able to see. There you can see the beautiful Lord Milner Hotel. So here we're going to see our picture frame. So if anybody's traveling through, this is a must stop. There's a little farm hut style at the bottom, the beef eater, and down in the distance over there is the old railway signals, which I will take you guys to now. So just have a look at these beautiful palm trees, how they've grown and aged. It's quite something to see. And here we have the old railway buildings. So just have a look. This is the old signal cabin, and it's just amazing to see the history and the tall ceilings. I mean, ceilings, it's so high up, and with all its little history that you can discover when you pass through. It's quite something that this place is often forgotten or looked over, with the old plane. These were the old timetables. And then going into the signal cabin, I mean, this is where all the magic happened. And it's just, if you love history and love to see, this is really something that should not be skipped when passing through Matjiesfontein. So here you've got the whole system with the map of which one operated where, and it's a little trove of history that is being preserved, and hopefully for generations to come that will continue to be preserved. I love going to places like this, seeing the history, and it makes you see where we've come to, and it makes you see, you know, how things used to be. And it's really, I mean, look at this place. It's really something beautiful. So this was the signal cabin. So now we're just going to take a walk down and capture some pictures, then we'll head over into the main town. So if you have a look over here, this is one of the original signs that still remain, and it was actually still done when we were in imperial system. So we are at this very point 195 miles to Cape Town. So it's quite cool to see that basically if you went that way 195 miles, you'll get back to Cape Town station. And I mean, this is just something. And yeah, I think I highly recommend, if you pass through, come and see Matjiesfontein, come and see the slice of history. Now we're going to head through the Matjiesfontein main entrance. Look at this, an old ox wagon. So this is the beef eater, and I mean, just look at the history that's on the walls that they've tried to include. It's absolutely beautiful. You actually have a write-up of the original beef eater. Let's have a look upstairs. Look at this. I mean, this is just amazing. So, I mean, the height is a bit of a problem in this because it's not that high, so I'm having to bend a bit because I'm rather tall. But wow, just wow. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to walk along down the main strip, and we don't have too much time. I'd love to have a bit more time to explore some more, but we do have to get on the way again, get to Beaufort West. So we're going to do a quick walk down the strip, show you some of the scenery, and then we are going to hit the road. Have a look here, the old Standard Bank. Wow. So check this out, they've actually got a transport museum right at the end of the road. Look at that. I think we'll definitely be stopping here and taking a look at this when we come again, because this is, I'd love to go in there and see. And they've even got like an old fire truck and rescue. This is amazing.